Alright guys, we're gonna check out Castillo begins his search for love. Clout Tracer episode 1. Castillo is the guy from um the grilling dating show with Cheyenne.
They're there for real love, bruv. Big man thing, this is Clout.
You know what funny? I
So my name is
when
Angel.
when I see
do
like
influencing, also do acting and stuff. Like
the UK
music
girls, they
videos,
look way
not on the
different from
twerking
American
side,
girls,
more like,
man. I don't know,
acting and
for
looking
some
good,
weird reason.
all of that. But I'm studying as a chef at the moment. That's my main goal.
Ooh,
so
a
I'm
chef?
here because I'm going
Okay.
on a date with Castillo and hopefully that goes
Oh, if you
well.
guys don't know, I actually work as a chef myself for like 7 years
I
now.
do not like chilling.
So it's very
I like
interesting.
to
I love to
work
see
a lot
like
and,
female chef,
think
man.
about my future and stuff, and I want him to be the same as me because that would help us both in the future. He needs to be tall. I'm not gonna lie. Looks, of course, and amazing person.
Need to be tall. So if you're rich, strong,
No.
independent, and short, get the fuck out of here, basically.
Yeah.
Would you expect the man to pay on the first date?
Yes. But I wouldn't mind like halving when we go out, when we are together, like.
Yeah,
future.
right.
But on the first date, like hell yeah, I'm not paying for it.
Setting up our Squarespace
Swear, man.
store.
That's why when normally when a man date a girl and he smash, he's winning, man, because
Yo, go on. You look nice.
Well, I'll give you a hug.
Hey.
What's your name again?
Castillo,
What's your name?
Angel.
damn, she look,
Nice to meet you.
That's your government name.
That's a gut. Yes.
damn, she look
I have nothing to say,
thick.
so
You look nice.
Thank you. you
Everything's
too.
just working right now. The outfit, everything.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
The baby
Damn, she
is
look
in
nice
that
for real, bro. She look
Like
nice.
girls.
Done now,
I
done
like your
now.
girls.
Oh, thank you. They're not grills though.
What are they?
They're individual. They're like cemented in. They ain't coming out.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought they were grills.
Nah,
But the
real
glasses too.
Thank you. I appreciate it. See, I made an effort.
I
Done
can
now.
tell. I can
So
tell.
where you just travel from?
I traveled from Hastings actually, which is.
I don't know
3 hours
where that.
away.
Oh,
Yeah, 3 hours.
3
It's actually
hours.
Brighton, East
Big man
Sussex.
thing. I ain't
East
never been there in my
Sussex,
life. Is that near Birmingham?
But are you being serious?
Sounds like near Birmingham. I'm not. Going. How much you spend on the nails?
Actually, it was for collaboration.
Big man thing, hustling people and that. I rate the hustle. though.
Working,
I
yeah,
rate the hustle.
working.
So what is it that you do? Speaking of work,
So I do influencing, but I'm also studying at the moment as a chef.
I like that. I like that.
I do music videos, but I do wear like acting more than anything.
I see that. Anybody famous up in there? Which famous music video people you?
Have I worked with? I've worked with Fredo, Central C.
I don't know who the fuck those guys are, man. That's crazy.
Pressure and Pain out now on all digital platforms, but we ain't thinking about their thing. So you've mentioned you dropped some nice names.
I don't know who those guys are.
Dating anybody?
I'm gonna have to start reacting to some more
Man life.
UK music
Is it on the
because
bucket list then? Is that what?
Oh no, bucket
Big-
list.
I'm just saying. Just drop the
Jeez,
names,
what do you
I'm
think
just
of
saying.
females,
I'm
man?
just saying it could be on the bucket list. I got a bucket list.
You want to date someone famous?
I want to date someone famous.
Okay, so how about like Will Smith's wife? Like, what do you think?
No thanks.
No
I'm good.
thanks.
I'm good.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bruv. it's
no
alright.
thanks.
Why?
Shout out to Will Smith, bruv. You get me? I wanna know how
So
he
you
is.
like Will Smith, but you don't like.
Nah, bruv. Feel like they're doing a madness to Will.
Why
bruv.
not, bruv?
Yeah, because I like Will Smith.
You know, he's a goat for doing that.
Yeah.
But also, it kind of messed up his career, kind of. 10 years. Come on, 10 years.
Well, let's say for example you was married, yeah. 10 years.
Man,
deep,
what Jada
getting
Smith is
divorced,
a
maybe
bitch,
you
bro.
feel
I don't
like
give a
things are
fuck.
going well, and a new young
Will Smith is a sim too.
R&B singer.
Cause she don't even care about her husband, man.
Making you feel
Young
special.
dude was
What you
digging
doing?
out her
Stay
guts and
loyal?
shit.
I've been with my man for 10 years. Of course, I'm gonna stay with him. Like, just
I know.
because someone is like good looking and young and like, you know, making money in their own way, rapping, artist, whatever. Like, it doesn't really matter because like you've built this relationship with this man that you're with.
But she don't
for 10
respect him. That's the
So you're about
difference.
loyalty, you're loyal.
Of course.
You're very loyal.
Loyal, yeah.
So what's your
loyal.
longest
I've
relationship?
never ever cheated on someone.
Never in life.
Never
You
in
never
life,
cheated.
Swear down.
Never. Even on a video shoot, you got a little bit
Never.
like, yeah.
No. Like.
Big man saying, why you look up like that? What's-
Because it's like
Yeah,
people,
no,
people actually think, oh yeah, you did this with a man, you didn't. But it's actually not. Like,
Man,
we see-
Castillo is
we
funny,
see
right?
these
He's
people
really
that
grilling.
we already
He's
know
really
what
grilling.
They are like and what they are, you know, sometimes do like move to us and stuff, which is like normal. If you do find someone attractive, you do go for it, right?
Oh, so you
I
keep it
work-
strict. You keep it strictly business.
Yeah,
Like
it's
that.
a 51K.
But how many men is it? How many men is it? There's mainly man or mixture?
Yeah, well, I don't actually reply to
51K
everyone.
is pretty
So
pretty
you're
good.
selective of who you apply to.
Pretty good.
Of course, that's
A
why
lot.
you can't just reply to everyone unless you want to like obviously appreciate what they say to you, like, or they say you're beautiful. I'd reply like thank you.
But let's be
Look at that,
real.
take a picture,
Women
change your life,
are
feel
more
good, man,
easier to
reply.
get followers than
No.
and
Why
men.
not? You
Let's
kept
be
that,
real.
bro. You don't want to give him some
Of course,
love.
he's just chatting to get my attention.
Most
Okay, so you
of
know
the
when
biggest
they're
followers
Of
are
course.
women.
So you know about the boss mans in there. They're like morning, 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 beautiful,
Oh,
morning,
there's
morning.
so many of them, and literally one like it could be like once a month or once every day for a month or a year.
So you got men them just chatting to themselves in that.
Do you get a lot of those though
I
from
got a lot of
females?
DMs and it's a bit mad. That's why I'm trying to weed people
From
out.
females.
Yeah,
There.
yeah. So I don't reply to DMs. Though, I'm not gonna lie to
You
you.
don't. What kind of message do you get from females?
Somebody will just send me a video of their pussy and that. Moist.
Oh wow.
Because you don't know what kind of symptoms is in there. Do you know what I mean? It's a mad
What?
thing.
I don't know how females can do that though.
I'm telling you, you don't know.
Yo,
who's who,
dude.
you don't know
Is
who-
that
That's
how
the
easy
thing.
it is to get females? You just get
She-
DM from a
wait,
guy
I'm
or
gonna
girl
pause,
that's
bro.
got, like, the sen-
She said that she don't understand why females do that. Dude, that shows you that females are no different than males. Only thing is that females go for the more successful guys, while we normal guys just willing to smash anything. That's the whole difference. But females do the same exact thing that male do. So that's why she's shocked that, oh wait, no, if you hear the stories from all these rich guys, you hear
But you don't even know
that
people
what
are.
females are
They're
doing.
Very inclusive, bro. It could be a man, a woman, a mixture of both. You don't know who's sending you pictures, bruv. That's what I'm saying. It's a dangerous world, bruv. It's very dangerous.
Oh my
You
god.
know what I mean? That's
Do
why.
you get pics?
Hell no. I get no. To be fair, I had a brother in there sending me videos of him twerking. It was a bit uncomfortable. I was like, fam, I'm not the right audience for them videos, bruv.
Whoa.
You know what I mean? But I didn't want to shut down his thing and be like, yo, suck your mum and that.
Why did you watch it from the first place?
Because I was thinking to myself, wow, what going for this brother? Then I was like, is this brother twerking? I was like, what the hell's going on? Mad
Okay,
thing.
so you was interested what he was doing basically.
No, I was just thinking to myself, why is somebody sending me this? I was gonna report him, bruv, and get him put on a register, because that's
What,
not
on
right,
Instagram?
bruv. No, on a full register. You know the register I'm talking about, the Savile register, bruv.
You were.
That's why I was trying to get him on that, bruv. You get me? Because I didn't consent to that big man thing. You get like man sitting there full willy and that on there.
Oh yeah, I get a lot of freaking pics and videos.
Have you ever choked somebody and said, don't do that?
Yeah, of
No,
course.
fam.
Be like, don't send me that.
So you'd be like, yo, fam, like, I've gone on your page, I see your whole wife and kids on there, bruv, relax.
Yeah, actually, some men have girlfriends when, like, I go on their profile and they have fucking girlfriends and they're messaging me and I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? Do you want me to message you girl?
Have you ever done that though?
No, I've
Message
never
man's
done.
wife?
Nah.
Never, you ever felt to?
I'd feel like if I was in this situation, I wouldn't mind
Hmm.
doing this. So why would I let a guy do this to me?
She's pretty chill though. I'm not gonna lie. She's
Coming to
pretty
you as a
cool.
woman. You on that, them ones there, yeah. Them ones is dangerous, I'm not gonna lie. When you're looking for a guy, does the money matter?
I'm not saying they should have.
Ah, yeah, it matters. Let's
but
be
they should
real,
have
bruh.
enough
Most people
to provide for
want a
themselves.
successful person, even
I
men.
wouldn't just.
Well,
start
I feel
dating a
mostly
guy because
females, say, but
he's got a
men
lot of
would
money,
like a
he's
nice lady that
billionaire or whatever thousands
not
he's
stupid,
got. Like,
basically.
it's nice to have someone that does have money, but that's just bonus, you know.
Speaking of which, big man thing, I ain't got no peas, bruv. Shout out to the HMRC, bruv. Ain't got nothing, bruv. Ain't got nothing for you, bruv. So let me ask you this though. Who's your celebrity crush?
I love Harry Styles and Anthony Joshua.
I don't know who the
Oh,
hell Anthony Joshua
Who's
is.
that guy?
I'm gonna have to
You
look
know
up that
who
guy.
Harry Styles
That
is?
Meghan Markle's husband thing. Harry Styles, bruv. That's him, innit?
No, Harry Styles. Do you know who One Direction is?
Nah, bruv. Where's he from?
He's from England.
Or South?
I don't know actually. I think it's near like Leeds area.
He done any tunes with nines in that?
Sorry.
Has he done any tunes with nines?
Do you know who? You don't? Are you being serious? You don't know who
I
Harry
don't know
Styles
who his
is?
brothers. You said the directions, and I thought you was talking about South.
Do you know who sang the "What Makes You Beautiful"? Yeah, I know you're beautiful. That one.
That's an Ed Sheeran tune, bruv.
Oh my god.
Never heard of that. But shout out to him, bruv. Big man song. Hope he's watching.
His song is, I think, it's #1 right now in the world.
Has he got a tune of nines though? If he ain't, it's not really that,
I
is it?
feel Castilla is actually
Check it out
messing
by
with her, bruh.
Spotify, you get me, bruv. Pressure and pay now on all digital platforms, you get me. But what I gotta ask you this, yeah. So
Dude,
I'm looking at you.
he's actually lying, bruh.
On me, what's your favorite feature on me?
I think your personality.
That's not a feature, bruv. I'm not feeling that.
No, like I love the. I can't really see your face because of the glasses. Can you take it off?
Nah. I'm not gonna lie.
So how can I say that if I can't see your whole face?
Because you got the melanin, bruv. You got the melanin right
Yeah,
there.
your face shape is good.
I'm talking about the
your
melanin,
nose,
bruv. You know what the melanin is?
your color.
Don't know.
You got nice color.
Big man thing. Make sure you say that, bruv, for the people them out there, bruv.
He's got nice skin color.
Big
guys.
man thing, shout out to BLM, bruv. I'm respecting that. I'm respecting that. So let's say, for example, you've been going out with your guy for a little while, yeah? And then you basically find out he's been chatting to some next gal, you're on a party or whatever, and the gal comes up to you, and she cusses you the fuck out. And says, why is this idiot looking at me, bruv? And she says she's about to put hands on you. Are you defending yourself?
Of course.
How you gonna bust her up?
Yeah. I might have to.
Or
take
you're gonna be
if
like,
I was
no,
wearing a wig on that day, I'm gonna have to take off my wig and.
big man thing. So you would bust her up?
Yeah, of course. If
So
she's
we
gonna.
got to cheers to that. So
Well,
I got to rate you for that.
Yeah,
big man
exactly.
thing.
You can't just let someone.
Can't let them violate the thing. So you bust them up for real.
Yeah, but they gotta act like physical first before me, because I'd look like a bad person if I hit them first.
So you got hands in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm basically
that's
that's self-defense.
Respect for that. I rate them things there.
That's actually
So I've
self-defense,
asked
so I'm
for
guessing
that.
she's gonna be safe, right?
So this thing I'm doing, like I said, is love or clout. So I'm looking for the right one. Yeah. So what are you looking for in a man?
Obviously, loyalty.
Oh my god, the loyalty thing, bro.
When you say supporting what you do, what do you mean?
I don't know, just anything that I do in life, you know, like my studies, my career, everything. And I don't want someone that stops me from doing what I love doing.
So let's say, for example, if you're a man and you're like, yo, babes, Harry, what's his name?
Harry
Harry
Styles?
Styles is asking me to come on a video shoot. I'm like, yo, babes, I'm not really feeling that, you know. Man's not really feeling me going there. I don't want you to go there. I don't feel comfortable. What are you saying?
I'm actually going to his concert next month.
Big man thing, so it's a bit peak, innit?
It's
Like,
a bit big, Harry Styles, but I don't think that would ever happen, though.
so let me say this, though. You've been with your man for a little while. You've been 5 years deep. And you say, babes, I'm going to the Harry Styles concert next week. Yeah? And you go there, you're having a good time.
Yeah.
And then he's literally, then he walks past and he's like, yo, welcome, babes. What are you saying? And he tries to get your number.
Oh crap.
Oh, that's hard, you know.
Yeah.
You've been
If
with
I
your
was
man
in
for
a
5
relationship,
years.
Yeah. He's my idol, like, basically. So if I see him, I don't have to him or do anything with him to.
Whoa.
Dude, let's be real. Let's be freaking real. She said she loved Harry Styles. If Harry Styles out of the blue call out at a concert and no cameras is there, let's be real. She's gonna fuck him, bruh. Let's be real. I'm gonna be honest, bruh. She's gonna smash, bruh.
Have you ever dated yard man? You dated any yardies? I feel like you've dated a yard man before.
I've dated someone wild, yeah.
That's not a yard man, bruv. You know what a yard man is?
No, actually.
You don't know what a yard man
no.
is?
What is it?
Do you like Movado?
Movado.
You like popcorn?
Oh.
Yard man?
Are you a yard man then?
No, bruv. But you know who they are, though, don't you?
No.
You don't know who Movado is?
No. Like, how you
So
asking
you know
about
this
Harry?
Meghan Harry guy, bruv. You don't know who Movado is. You don't know the gully guard.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you don't know Movado.
No.
You don't know Cartel. The teacher.
Where is this coming from?
Big man. You don't know the Jamaican artist, bruv. Yard man. You know Lindsay Bashment?
Bashment.
Bashment, yeah.
No, I don't think so. I don't know. I moved to England 6 years ago. It's like I'm a bit like new to everything.
Oh.
Okay, it makes sense. I was
Yeah.
trying to work out how you don't know the gully guard.
No, I haven't. I lived in England for 6 years. I was born and raised in the Philippines.
They know about vibes in the Philippines, though.
Yeah.
Oh.
We
Yeah,
do
but-
love. What's his
Cartel.
name? What's his name?
Straight jeans and fitted. And a white
Dude, it's
jacket.
interesting. So she's actually Filipino.
Yeah, bruv. Bruv, I swear that was like the 70s, bruv. That's a bit mad still. Bruv. That's a bit mad still. But it's all good.
Dude, it's so interesting that she's actually
Talking about freakiness. I'm
from the
not gonna
freaking
lie.
Philippines.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, she looks freaking thick, bruh, for Asian, bruh.
What's freaky to
I
you?
don't give a fuck, bruh. She
No,
looks thick
I'll
for her.
ask you first. What is freaky to you?
And I didn't even realize that she was literally Asian. I didn't even pick that
I've
up.
never beat in public before. Like, I've beaten Tinseltown toilets once.
Dude, that's very interesting, man. I didn't even pick up that she was Asian.
Parks, yeah. During summer.
During summer.
Yeah,
When
with my ex. Yeah.
in the daytime, like. or
Yeah, that was
nighttime.
I was with for like 3 years.
Where was he from? Like, country.
He's
I'm not gonna lie,
Jamaican.
So you know Yard Man? Where you
Yeah,
going?
but he's very like.
Is he a Jamaican? Like, we'll be real.
Jamaican.
Is he a Jamaican? Is he real Jamaican?
No, I mean like he grew up in Croydon. He's mixed, so it's a bit like he didn't really have that Do you know what I mean? Like
So you weren't
he
really having
wasn't
the curry
introduced to that.
Oh, so you weren't really
culture
having the
that
curry
much.
goat and rice. It was more of like a.
Yeah, he does love Jamaican food, like jerk chicken.
Because you're making him sound like a
love
square,
Jamaican
bruv. You're making him sound like it's a.
If
If you're
Yeah.
too good, bruh.
in bed, like when you're having.
Oh, you mean moaning sexually? Oh. Do you
Whatever.
moan a lot? You look like you do. I'm
I
not
mean,
gonna lie.
yes,
Dude, but what if you're too good, bruh?
yes. Sometimes on text.
Dude, I can't lie to on my ribs.
In
It's
the
actually
moment, yeah,
hurting
of
me.
course, that's what you gotta do. That's
My ribs is
what you
actually
do.
hurting me, bruh.
The thing is that, what if like if a girl's just laying down there doing absolutely nothing, that's a bit boring for me.
Yeah, that's kind of
If
lame,
I'm
bruh. I'm not gonna lie.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
So I rate that,
interact.
you know. Because some girl are just getting better.
I'm not gonna lie. I actually like this
Yeah,
girl. I like this girl vibes already, bruh. She have a nice vibes.
I feel like a lot of
Actually-
people would play top tier for that. I'm not gonna lie.
let me tell you, I do have an OnlyFans.
Big man ting, plug
Yes,
your
I
ting,
do.
bruv.
I do.
Shout
I
out
do have an
shout out the ting.
OnlyFans. Yeah, check my OnlyFans.
What kind of
But,
content can we see on
Actually,
there for the
yeah.
man them?
Just to make sure I don't do any naked stuff on OnlyFans. That's just one of it.
Okay, man them, it's a PG thing. It's
Yeah.
like.
You can get $5.99 subscribe
So
my
what
channel
can a
for
man
$5.99.
them get for $5.99?
Probably like bikini pics. I want to do some sports, like, do you know what I mean? Like, gym,
So she do have a
workouts,
OnlyFans. So she's actually working there because she have the Instagram. She's trying to be a chef, and then she have the
Cooking man them, like, you're
OnlyFans.
just making a meal or you're just making it spicy and that.
making a meal, like actually cooking
But
in the
spicy,
kitchen.
like that's what I'm saying. Like you dress nice and saying that the man them is watching, or the man watching you make it like a egg and bacon sandwich type thing.
You have to look nice and make sure the food looks nice too.
Have you got a lot of subscribers on there?
Nowadays, men don't actually subscribe
What
on
do they do?
OnlyFans if you have nothing, no naked stuff in it. Because like I get messages from men saying, "Oh, why don't you have any like naked stuff?" Like,
Course.
I'm like, OnlyFans is actually for anything.
Yeah,
A lot
'cause
of
them-
females do.
The man need the nigga. That's some top tier, bruv. They need that. You get me? You got to be providing the magic. You can go on there and see all kinds of things.
Yeah. They think that, oh yeah, she's
They
naked.
need they're thinking they got the naan bread on there. There's some titties.
Yeah, that's
Get
all
me a
that.
side of thigh. You get me a meal
Yeah.
deal thing. You want the whole full course, bruv.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Dubai?
I've never been to Dubai.
Would you ever go?
I would.
Big
Yeah.
man, I heard a lot of mad stuff happens over there.
Yeah, you could go to prison from what, like smoking weed,
I'm not
right?
even talking about that, bruv. I'm
What
talking
kind
about some
of,
other things, some toiletry issues over there, bruv.
Toiletry.
I heard gal are going over there to be real toilets and that.
To what?
To be toilets, bruv.
What do you mean by that?
They're going over there, man, them were just dropping mad doo-doos, bruv. No lie. It's a real thing.
That's true, bro. I heard that too, man. Like they pay a lot of money because those are rich as fuck. So they just buy some
It was really nice.
Instagram girl from America
I-
and the
I'm
UK and those
asking-
places and just fly them out and do some crazy shit to them.
Ask me one more. I'll give you one more question. What do you want to ask?
What do you think of our date?
I think it's been a great date.
Has
Big
it
man
been
saying,
good?
do you know, I'm not going to lie. I thought you was going to be a bit stale when you walked in. I was actually mad beautiful night. You're going to be dry.
Oh.
I'm not going to lie. I thought I was going to have to get the Vaseline out for you. It was going to be a bit dry, bruv. But you was lit. You
Oh,
get what I'm trying to say?
thank
So
you.
I've had a great date. Yeah, so let's cheers to that.
Oh, yeah, she looked very nice. So I thought she was gonna be boring as fuck, but she actually have a vibe, man. She look, dude, and she look thick, bro. I say, look at that,
Thank you.
dude. That's crazy, bro.
Right.
That's why I didn't really realize that she was Asian, man, because she look. I don't know if she's mixed, man. That thickness is really confusing me, bro.
Man, them, you saw that, yeah? You see that, bruv. That's top level machinery.